Hi, my name is Angel from Wolfeye.de, and in this video I want to show you the third step that you must do if you want to install and set up Wolfeye. It's basically very easy. In the first step, in the first video, I have shown to you that the first thing is you must select and create the installation folder. It's important that it's on C user public. It has to be a public folder, and that you have to put that folder into the exception list of your antivirus software. And if you need help putting it into the exception list of your antivirus, write us an email. We will be happy to help you. Or write us a WhatsApp. You find the information on our website, wolfeye.de here. Um, the second video I have published, I showed you how you download Wolfeye and how you run it, and that you have to click on first the green button and then the blue button so that Wolfeye shares the screen. Um, Wolfeye will allow you to see the live screen of that computer as if you were sitting in front of it by just using your smartphone on any other computer. So you will see the live screen of that computer just using a browser, any browser. Yeah. Um, and the software will run hiddenly in the background and will be startup every time Windows is started. So it will run completely hiddenly. The user will not notice anything about it because it's running in the background, and you will be able to monitor that computer remotely. So what's the third step? The third step is the following, because at the end, now that you have run Wolfeye, you must take into account and check this is written here under 4. So you open the settings window. Um, you go to settings in Windows, yeah, settings, and you go to apps. Where are the apps? Apps, and then you go to startup. Okay, in German it's auto startup, and you search for Wolfeye, kernel.exe, and it is important that it is enabled. Sometimes it's like this. You must do this. It has to be enabled. Only if it is enabled, Wolfeye is run whenever Windows is startup again, is run in the background. Okay, this is a very, very important. It's the last thing that you must do, and that's it. I give you the recommendation after you have done these 3 steps, um, you to make a last test, restart the computer and see under this remote link that Wolfeye gives you, that you can send to your email, see if it's sharing the screen. It will share the screen. It will monitor everything that happens on the computer. But do this last step. Do check if this startup button here is enabled, and do check a startup of Windows to see if it's running. That's it. That was the third part of how to set up Wolfeye. Very, very easy. Now, please go to our website, wolfeye.de. Yeah? It's very easy. And download it. Go to download, or go first to the tutorial. Go to download. Download Wolfeye. It is free. Use it, test it. And if you have questions, please ask us. You will find on our website, you will find all contact information. And if you need help, we can help you set up Wolfeye by phone. You find the WhatsApp information by email, and even using a Google Meet where you can share your screen and I can guide you uh, on WhatsApp or via telephone, or even using AnyDesk or TeamViewer. That way I would do the installation for you, but not everybody wants that. It's just that, if you need help setting it up, contact us, contact me. You will contact me personally, and I will be very happy to help you. I hope this helps. Have a nice